G'day legends, today we're diving into the wonderful world of Return and Earn, a process that's as Aussie as a sausage sizzle. Whether you're looking to clean up the environment, fund your next road trip, or just make a bit of pocket money, this is the way to do it. So grab your wheelie bin and let's get started. Step 1. Collecting your treasure. The first thing you'll need is a keen eye for recyclables. Aluminium cans, glass bottles, and plastic containers are your golden tickets. Just make sure they're eligible for the scheme. If in doubt, check the label for the magic words 10% refund. Pro tip, rinse your containers to avoid any funky smells. There has been over 12 billion drink containers returned so far via the Return Point network. There are 662 return points available. Over 1 million tonnes of materials have been recycled to date. And over $62 million has been returned to charities and community groups via donations and fees to date. So everybody wins. Once you've got a decent haul, it's time to load up. A trusty wheelie bin works wonders for this step. It's like a portable treasure chest, and if you've got a ute, even better. More space for more cans, which means more cash. Did you know over 12 billion containers have been returned since the scheme started in 2017? Now, it's time to hit the road. We're heading to the local Return and Earn station. You'll usually find these in shopping centres, car parks or near community hubs. When you get there, don't be surprised if there's a bit of a line. After all, everyone's onto this money-making, earth-saving gig. Use the wait time to double-check your haul. Remove any non-eligible items. When it's your turn, simply feed your containers into the machine. It's strangely satisfying to watch them disappear and you'll see your tally climb. Each container earns you 10 cents. Trust me, it adds up quicker than you think. With both wheelie bins emptied, it's time for the best part, the payout. You can choose between cash, vouchers, PayPal transfers, or donating your earnings to a charity. I received the cash payout. For today's effort, we've scored a tidy sum. Not bad for cleaning up the environment, hey? So there you have it, folks. The Return and Earn process is simple, rewarding, and makes a big difference. Not only are you keeping Australia clean, but you're also turning trash into treasure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep collecting and keep earning. Cheers.